Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning into this video, it's because you are looking for, I guess, I don't know, New Year's Eve kind of outfit inspiration going into the New Year's Day, whether you're hanging out to the clubs or, you know, you're having dinner with friends and family. Why not get glammed up? Okay, so I'm here to give you some inspiration today. So yeah, stay tuned to see how I achieve this really glitzy makeup look. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you have a happy new year. And I hope you find some inspiration in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. As you can see, I always say this, they are non-existent because they are non-existent. So as you can see, eyebrows are outlined. I'm just taking my finger to kind of just clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to go with my concealer. Concealer brush from Primark again. Just feel like it comes off a little less harsh. It looks more natural when you blend out with your fingers. With the same concealer brush, and I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade F13. And I'm just going to use that again to highlight underneath my eyebrows. Okay, so now that my eyebrows again are concealed, I'm just going to take my finger and blend everything out. And this is, we're getting there guys. Okay, next up, I'm going to go in with the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. I just like to use this mascara to brush over my eyebrow hairs because I just feel like it adds like some strokes which kind of like mimic eyebrow hairs and it just looks more like bushier in a natural way. Okay, so my eyebrows are now done. We're going to move on to my eyes. Yes, I'm going to go in and prep my eyelids with the Beautiful Bronze Concealer. I'm going to go in with this brush. I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just going to go in with the Primark Banana Powder. I'm going to use this to set my eyelids. So I picked up this really cute eyeshadow palette from Primark. It was only £3 and it's the Amber Passion and I'm really liking the colours. I've used them quite a bit actually, as you can see. I'm really liking the shades. I'm thinking to go in with this like ruddy tone. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. And so I'm going to take this purple shade right here and I'm just going to put that in the crease or the folds of my eyelids. I'm just going to go in again with the Primark palette and I'm going to go in with let's put some shimmer in there. Going with some gold right here. And now I'm just going to put some mascara on my lashes. I'm going to use my Colour Collection Defining Mascara. Okay, so I've got mascara on my eyelashes and I'm just going to wait for this to dry and then I'm going to apply some lashes. My lashes are somewhat dried. I'm just going to go in with I've already put glue on it, but I'm just going to go in with my Eldora lashes. I'm just going to apply this. Right, so my eyes are done. This is literally the final look. I don't think I'm going to do anything else. And so now I'm going to go in with foundation, and you guys know my foundation routine is the simplest. So I'm going to go in now with my MAC foundation in the shade NC50. I'm just going to use that and apply it all over my face. Ooh, forgot a step. I almost forgot a step. But first things first, you guys know I always go in my Pro Girl concealer. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes. You guys know I love to pack on this concealer, my forehead, cheekbones, and my mouth. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, so I'm using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. So that's all blended out. So now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick. And I'm just going to use this to highlight underneath my eyes. And I'm then going to mix that in with this Primark concealer in the shade Tuffy. And I'm just going to blend the two of those together. So now that I've highlighted, I'm just going to go in again with the Banana Powder by Primark, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes with this powder. So now I'm going to add some powder to my face. So I'm going to go in with my True Match powder in the shade Golden Brown, and I'm just going to use this to set all over my face. So that's my powder done. So now it's time to contour. I'm going to go in with this Primark contour in the shade, I believe, Chestnut. Contour my cheekbones. So I blended that out. Now I'm going to go with my Sleek contour palette or kit in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to use the powder to kind of set the cream contour. Now I'm just going to take my powder brush and just clean up underneath my cheekbones. Okay, so that's my foundation and contouring done. I'm just going to add some blush to my cheeks. So I'm going to go with this orange blush by the Sleek blush palette, and it's the blush palette in the shade Pumpkin 363. So I'm just going to go in with this orange. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Are you feeling it? So I'm just going to go in with this Film Noir blush by MAC. You guys know I'm just going to use it quickly just to further accentuate my contouring, you know, cheekbones for the god. So I'm going to go in with my highlighting kit by Sunkissed Makeup. You guys know, again, this is one of my favorites, my only highlighter that I really use. So last but not least, it's now time to sort out my lips. This is always the part where I decide I don't know what I want to do with my lips. So I'm going to line my lips with my very miniature, look at this guys, my very miniature MAC, is it Chestnut, I believe? I don't even know the colour anymore because it's gone. I can't even see. I think, oh, it is Chestnut, yes, the MAC Chestnut lip liner. I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips, and then I'm going to use MAC Persistence. I'm going to use this lipstick Persistence to go over that. I'm going to go with this NYX Fire Spirit lipstick. It's a little bit lighter than the MAC lipstick that I just used. I'm going to use it on the inner of my lips. That's better. And that's that. So I'm going to go with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb to add some shine. Shine to my lips. Ooh. Hello. Hi. Happy New Year. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Okay, so I've got a bit of foundation in my hair, so I'm just going to go off camera and I'm going to sort that out really quickly. I'm going to change and I'm going to show you guys the final New Year's Eve look. I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is the final look with my sequined dress on. I got this dress last year and I've only ever worn it once. I wore it to a friend's birthday party and I've never worn it again. So you know what? This is the perfect opportunity to bring it out again. Ba-ba boom. So this is the dress, guys. I don't know, I'm so giddy. Anyway, this is the final outfit look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have an amazing New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. If you're heading out, I hope this look brought some inspiration to you, I guess. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.